Today, we're practicing airport English.
Real sentences, real situations. Let's go. Scene 1. Check-in.
I have a reservation under Mark Puck.
I have a reservation under Mark Puck. I'd like a window seat, please.
I'd like a window seat, please. Is there an aisle seat available?
Is there an aisle seat available? I'm checking one bag.
I'm checking one bag. Is my bag overweight?
Is my bag overweight? Is there any chance of an upgrade?
Is there a chance of an upgrade? What time does boarding start?
What time does boarding start? Which gate is my flight?
Which gate is my flight? Here's my passport.
Here's my passport. Thank you. Have a great flight.
Thank you. Have a great flight.
Scene 2. Security.
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Do I need to take off my shoes? Should I put my laptop in a separate bin?
Should I put my laptop in a separate bin? Can I keep my jacket on?
Can I keep my jacket on? I have a metal implant. Is that okay?
I have a metal implant. Is that okay? Sure, no problem.
Sure, no problem. Of course, go ahead.
Of course, go ahead. I think I left something in the bin.
I think I left something in the bin. Can I go back through?
Can I go back through?
Scene 3. At the gate.
When do we board?
When do we board? Is this the gate for Flight 302?
Is this the gate for Flight 302? Has boarding started yet?
Has boarding started yet? Is the flight on time?
Is the flight on time? Is there a delay?
Is there a delay? How long is the delay?
How long is the delay? Can I get on standby?
Can I get on standby? I think you're in my seat.
I think you're in my seat. Oh, my bad. Let me move.
Oh, my bad. Let me move. No worries at all.
No worries at all.
Scene 4. On the plane.
Could I get a blanket, please?
Could I get a blanket, please? Can I have a glass of water?
Can I have a glass of water? What do you have to drink?
What do you have to drink? I'll have the chicken, please.
I'll have the chicken, please. Could you take this for me?
Could you take this for me? Excuse me, could I get past?
Excuse me, could I get past? Would you mind switching seats?
Would you mind switching seats? Any chance you'd swap seats with me?
Any chance you'd swap seats with me? Of course, no problem.
Of course, no problem. How long until we land?
How long until we land?
Scene 5. Immigration and Customs.
I'm here for tourism.
I'm here for tourism. I'll be staying for 2 weeks.
I'll be staying for 2 weeks. I'm staying at the Marriott in New York.
I'm staying at the Marriott in New York. I have a return ticket.
I have a return ticket. I'm traveling alone.
I'm traveling alone. I have some packaged snacks to declare.
I have some packaged snacks to declare. The total value is around $30.
The total value is around $30. I couldn't find the code for this on the kiosk.
I couldn't find the code for this on the kiosk. My bag didn't come out.
My bag didn't come out.
My bag never came through. My bag never came through. Which carousel is Flight 302?
Which carousel is Flight 302? I think my bag was lost.
I think my bag was lost. Here's my baggage claim receipt.
Here's my baggage claim receipt.
That's the airport, start to finish.
Keep practicing. It gets easier every time.
See you in the next one.